Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my ride. Today we are having a look at the tank bags from SW Motech, why they are so beneficial to use, and I will show you how to install them. If you're just here for the installation guide, skip ahead to this timestamp. I think everybody needs a tank bag on his bike. They are convenient and easily accessible storage solution for your essentials like your phone, wallet, map, snacks, water bottles and other personal items. SW Motech tank bags are designed to be easy to install and remove from your motorcycle tank. They use a magnetic mounting system that is easy to set up and remove even with just one hand. Another benefit from SW Motech models are that they are modular, so they allow you to expand the capacity of the bag just as by opening a little zip. This can be useful if you need to carry more gear on longer trips. Now I will show you how easily they are to install. We are in my garage and I just unpacked the locking ring. Now just open up your tank and put a little cover on top of the opening so nothing falls in. Unscrew the two screws at each side and put the little risers into it. Now place the small ring onto the risers and put the first 4 screws into it. When you're done, put the top ring onto the smaller one and tighten the locking nuts. Just be careful to put it in the right way with the edgy side on top, because they're pretty hard to get out if they're screwed in the other way around. Let's remove our tank cover and we're done. That's how easy it is to install the tank bag locking mechanism. See you next Sunday, stay safe, ride your ride, goodbye.